welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious cilantro lime rice that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious cilantro lime rice, these are my few ingredients. I have chicken bouillon, 1 garlic clove, 2 limes, 2 cups of rice, half a bunch of cilantro, vegetable oil, and hot water. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious cilantro lime rice at home. So let's get started. First things first, getting ready my garlic clove. I'm going to dice it very small so I could obtain all that amazing flavor and aroma. So once this is done, we're going to transfer it to a plate. I'm going to continue with my 2 limes. I am going to rub them just like this so that I could really obtain all those amazing juices. You're going to need about 4 tablespoons of the amazing juice of the limes. Any kind of lemons you could use to make this rice so delicious and so amazing. Of course, you could enjoy it with so many different meats, with chicken, with ground beef, with carne asada, grilled chicken, in burritos. You decide. But this is the base, how to make this delicious cilantro lime rice. I have the cilantro here. It's already washed, rinsed, disinfected, and now I'm just going to dice it in very small little pieces so that you could see the cilantro throughout the rice. Look at this. This rice really comes out fluffy with so much flavor. Once you have everything ready, very few ingredients that I know that you already have on your pantry, in your stove, in your refrigerator. And now, of course, 2 cups of rice. And here I'm going to transfer the cilantro. And to the cilantro, I am going to add the juice of the limes so that the cilantro really absorbs the flavor of the lime, infuses in the lime. So we're going to add the lime in here. Let it sit until the rice is ready. And this is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes. So just let it sit, let it relax so that you could see that the lemon has already been absorbed by the cilantro. And now let's go to the stove and let's start cooking this amazing and fluffy, delicious rice. On the pan, I'm going to use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This is a white rice, so we just want to coat all the little specks of the granules of the rice with the oil. But first, we're going to add the oil and then the garlic, the diced garlic. We want to make sure that the garlic really infuses the oil. This is going to give such a delicious and amazing flavor to the rice. Once you see that it's bubbling and it's kind of getting almost kind of golden brown, be careful because it could burn very easily. Once you notice, add your rice. Mix it throughout. Cover every granule with those amazing flavors of the garlic that is infused in the oil. So here I'm just mixing very well, coating all those little granules. When the rice is ready, it's going to even pull apart. You're going to notice that the rice is not going to come out sticky. It's going to be very easy to pull apart. Once you add your rice, just cook it for 2 minutes and then add your chicken bouillon. Of course, you could substitute the chicken bouillon with just regular table salt. Here, I'm just mixing, and now I am going to add 4 cups of boiling water. This part is important. You don't want to add cold water. You don't want to reduce the temperature of the pan. So what you're going to do, you're going to add hot water. I have 2 cups of jasmine rice. I'm going to add 4 cups of boiling water. This is important. You don't want to reduce the temperature of the pan, or else it's going to take much longer to cook. And it should cook in about 10 to 15 minutes. No more than that. You're going to notice that the rice is going to be real fluffy. The granules are going to pull apart, and that's when you know your rice is ready to go. Look at this. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to reduce the heat very low, just like that. Cover it and just let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, look, you could see that there's no more liquid in the center. We are ready to remove it from the stove, add our infused cilantro with lime, and just incorporate everything throughout the rice. So the rice is still very hot. So we want to incorporate the cilantro, let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're ready to serve. Look how beautiful this looks. I am ready to plate it, and you could see throughout all those little pieces of the cilantro. If you liked and loved this amazing cilantro lime rice, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. This is the presentation plate. It's gonna be perfect. I'll see you in just a little bit. I am ready to taste this amazing cilantro lime rice. Excuse me. It comes out perfect every time. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. You love this amazing cilantro lime rice, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious cilantro lime rice with my beautiful family. See you soon. Bye-bye.